This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This charming 3-bedroom/2-bathroom home is sited in the desirable southeast Winter Haven community of Garden Grove Pines. The home features a great room with glass sliding doors leading to the large screened-in patio. The kitchen features an updated black appliance package, closet pantry, breakfast bar, coved ceilings and a delightful breakfast nook overlooking the backyard. The formal dining room is located directly off the kitchen, making this floor plan ideal for entertaining. The master bedroom suite is located to the back of the home and offers dual closets. The master bathroom features a tub/shower unit and single sink vanity. Other amenities include a screened-in lanai, covered front porch, laundry area with washer and dryer, gutters, architectural shingles and a car garage with off-street parking. This property is located on a corner lot with a fenced-in backyard surrounded by mature landscape planting for privacy and a shed for additional storage. Great Convent location close to shopping, schools, restaurants and LegoLand. For more information